Hi guys, welcome back to AKitchenAdvisor channel. As always, we keep sharing with you the best recipes for busy families. Today we are making instant pot omelette. There are a few secrets how to make a perfectly porous omelette. Bowl should be deep enough to allow omelette to grow. Use hand whisk and beat eggs thoroughly, but do not whisk them. Keep the proper proportion between eggs and milk. For each egg, add quarter of a cup of milk. Crack 6 eggs into a bowl. Add salt. Mix the eggs. Add milk. Grease a bowl with unsalted butter. Fill the inner pot with 2 cups of water. Place the steam rack inside the instant pot. Put the bowl with the egg mixture on the steam rack. Close the lid and turn the steam release handle to sealing position. Select pressure cook program with high pressure settings and set time to 25 minutes. When it's done, wait another 5 minutes. Open the pressure cooker using natural release. Take out the instant pot omelette and add your favorite sauce or dip. Porous, fluffy. This beauty is waiting for you. Yummy, yummy, go to my tummy. Don't forget to press the like button. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing so you won't miss any of our easy and yummy recipes for busy families. Also, check our website for more delicious and healthy instant pot recipes.